PicTools AI Image Generator is the latest AI software that's been taking the digital world by storm. If you're looking for a cutting-edge tool that can enhance your creative projects, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this just-released AI software. And by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how it works and why it's one of the best in its category. Plus, you can try it for free with the first link in the description below. First things first, PicTools AI Image Generator is an incredibly powerful tool designed to help you create stunning images quickly and easily. What sets it apart from other AI generators is its user-friendly interface, which makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced users alike. You don't need to be a design expert to create professional-looking images. The AI does all the heavy lifting. One of the standout features of PicTools AI Image Generator is its speed. It's incredibly fast, producing high-quality images in a matter of seconds. This is a game changer for anyone who needs to create multiple images for projects, social media posts, or marketing campaigns. No more waiting for ages for an image to render. With PicTools, you can create stunning visuals almost instantly. The software also offers a variety of templates and customization options. Whether you're creating social media posts, advertisements, or blog visuals, there are plenty of pre-designed templates that you can modify to suit your needs. And if you're feeling creative, you can use the advanced customization tools to tweak images to your exact specifications. This level of flexibility is hard to find in most AI image generators. Now let's talk about quality. PicTools AI Image Generator doesn't just create fast images, it creates high-quality ones. The AI is trained on millions of data points, ensuring that the images it generates are sharp, vibrant, and accurate to your requests. Whether you're asking for something abstract or realistic, you can expect detailed, polished results every time. Another feature that I find particularly impressive is the ability to generate images from text prompts. You can input simple or complex descriptions, and the AI will turn those words into visually appealing artwork. This is a huge time saver for anyone who needs images but doesn't have the design skills or software to create them manually. But that's not all. PicTools AI Image Generator is continually improving. The developers are constantly updating the software to improve image quality, add new templates, and introduce new features. This means you can expect even better results down the line, and the software will only get more powerful with time. Finally, let's talk about accessibility. PicTools AI Image Generator is cloud-based, meaning you don't need to install anything on your computer. You can access it from any device, anywhere, which is perfect for those who work on the go. And because it's cloud-based, you don't need to worry about system requirements. It'll work smoothly on most devices. In conclusion, PicTools AI Image Generator is a must-try for anyone in need of high-quality, quick, and customizable images. With its fast performance, wide range of features, and continuous updates, it's quickly becoming one of the top tools for digital creators. If you're looking for a powerful and easy-to-use AI image generator, this is definitely one to check out. And don't forget, I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I've included my recommended options in the description, so you can explore even more free software that might be perfect for you. Go ahead and click the link below to start using PicTools AI Image Generator for free today.